वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ई पाठशाला ई मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम आप सभी को डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन चैप्टर नंबर 9 एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन फी वाई क्यू यूपी बोर्ड कराने की कोशिश करेंगे। सबसे पहले आप सभी इस चैप्टर के डेफिनेशंस को अच्छी तरीके से समझ लें। एन इक्वेशन involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to independent variables is known as differential equation. Order of differential equation. Order of differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. What is degree of differential equation? Degree, if it is defined of differential equation, is the highest power of the highest order derivative in it. Note that degree of differential equation is defined if and only if it can be expressed as polynomial equation in derivatives y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, etc. For example, dy dx whole square equal to dy dx minus sin x. This is differential equation of order 1 and degree also 1. Let us understand by taking some important examples from NCERT textbooks. Dy dx whole square minus dy dx whole cube plus y equal to x. We can denote dy dx as y dash. This implies that the equation can be written in polynomial form y dash square minus y dash plus y equal to x. Y dash whole square minus y dash whole cube, which is in polynomial equation form. Here dy dx is a first order derivative, therefore order of differential equation is 1. Order of differential equation is 1, and this differential equation can be written as polynomial equation. Therefore degree of differential equation is the highest order power of derivative. Therefore, in this given differential equation, order equal to 1 and degree equal to 1. Taking some other examples, d2 by dx2 equal to square root of 1 plus d by dx whole square. Here we cannot directly define degree of differential equation, but we always define order of differential equation. In this differential equation, highest derivative is of second order. Here 2, here 1. Therefore, order of differential equation is 2. But we see that this differential equation not in polynomial equation form. Therefore, we rationalize both sides. d2 by dx2 whole square is equal to 1 plus d by dx whole square. Now we can easily define degree of differential equation. Degree of differential equation is degree of highest order derivative. That is, here the degree of differential equation is also 2. Taking another examples, third and fourth. In differential equation third, we see that highest order derivative occurring in it is second order. Therefore, order is order is 3. Also, we see that it cannot be expressed in polynomial equation form because sin d by dx. Therefore, degree not defined. Degree not defined. If we try to write this differential equation in polynomial form, d2 by dx2 plus d by dx plus d by dx minus d by dx whole cube 1 upon 3 factorial plus and so on equal to 0. This is not a polynomial, this is series. Degree always defined for polynomial, therefore here cannot be defined order, here cannot be defined degree of differential equation. In fourth differential equation, highest order derivative included third order derivative, therefore order equal to 4, and degree is power of highest order derivative. This implies that degree is 1. Order third. See here. order third. Some other examples asking in UP board exam 2017 to 2025. Let us take first example. In this example, here we see that independent variable y and its derivative dy dx, which is first order, d2y dx2, which is second order. Therefore, in this differential equation, highest order derivative is of second order. Therefore, order is 2. Now, we concentrate to find degree of differential equation. Here we see that dependent derivative powers are not integers. Therefore, we rationalize as squaring both sides. We get powers of derivatives are integers. Y plus dy dx whole square. Now it is in polynomial equation form. Therefore, highest order derivative 2 and its degree also 2. Therefore, degree of differential equation is 2. Second question. In second question also, we rationalize order 2, highest order derivative, second order, first order, independent variable, and we see that here on expanding power of dy dx is 1 upon 4, which is non an integer. Therefore, we apply fourth power on both sides. Therefore, second order derivative power 4 is equal to y plus dy dx whole square. Now, this differential equation in polynomial form, and degree of this polynomial is 4. Now, we try to solve third equation. Third equation is also not rationalized form d2y dx2 minus x equal to dy dx, d2y dx2 minus x whole square equal to dy dx. Now it is in polynomial equation form. This implies that order equal to 2 and degree equal to 2. On expanding this, we get degree of highest order derivative is 2, like this. Which is form of polynomial in y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, etc. Similarly, you can solve fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. Let us solve some other examples. In seventh equation, we see that highest order derivative is 2 double s order 2, but degree cannot define because this polynomial, this differential equation cannot be written as in polynomial equation form due to exponential e power y dash. Degree not defined. In eighth question, here degree also not defined, and highest order derivative is 1, therefore order is 2. In ninth equation, highest derivative 1, but degree also defined because ninth question can be written as in polynomial equation form. Y equal to e power y dash, taking log both sides, we get y dash equal to log y. Here power of highest order derivative is 1, therefore order 1, and degree is also 1. And similarly, in 10th equation, sin dy dx equal to x, degree and order both defined because dy dx equal to sin inverse x, degree 1 and order 1. In 11th equation, order defined but degree not defined